I'm back, unlike your father. What's good on YouTube video, man? You know what I say? Like, subscribe, follow me on the gram, social media, whatever. Road to 20 subs, you're almost there, man, bro. We like 75 more subs, bro. Almost road to 1K by the end of the year, you know what I'm saying? Shit, fuck it, 10K by the end of the year. What we talking about? You finna run this shit up, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Talk really for part one team, you know what I'm saying? Whoever, run up the team, you know what I'm saying? So, like, subscribe.
What's good? Shit, he's handsome.
Can I sell you my beats?
No,
Yeah.
get out of here. I'm trying to be nice.
Watch it, you.
You actually look good. No good.
Yeah, I talk about, brother.
I like it. It's good. The mustache. You got a deep voice.
Yeah, all day, man, I talk about, brother. Boy.
Dang.
Yo. Why is glazing and sucking dick a national sport? You glazing, bro. You glazing. My dog in that bitch. I'm telling you, yo. Hey, you be on that whipping shit, my dog. That whip it. Yeah, that whip is in my body.
What are you talking about, man?
The party. She said, I'm just getting started.
TikToker, bro.
Something like that. Something like that.
Or a YouTuber.
Yeah, something like that. Something like that. Yeah, I try to be.
Oh, so you stripping right now?
No, I'm not right now. Not right now. I'm recording a video actually. You know what I'm saying? Type
A
shit.
YouTube video?
Yeah.
I'm finna be on your YouTube channel.
I mean, nothing interesting really happened. This shit might get cut.
Hey, I might get cut out. I might get cut out.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, what's your YouTube channel called? How many subscribers you got?
Shit, I got like one.
Damn. Damn, that shit don't even matter anyway. I'ma just say what I want.
TikTok niggas. Yo, is you recording on potato, nigga? What the heck? Nigga recording on his microwave? What? Hey, the baby, is that you, bro? Yo, the baby, walk on, dog. You good, dog? The baby. The baby.
Shut your ugly ass up. Shut your ugly ass up. Need your braces. Your teapot messed up.
Hey, boy, what's it,
Ass
you see. Shit that nigga, boy. Shit that nigga, yo.
Shut your messed ass up.
Calm down, youth.
Nigga, shut the fuck up, boy.
Nigga know that. Ross. Florida. Yo, you know that, you in Florida, boy. That hurricane that hit your ass, boy.
Yo, you look like the hurricane, stupid ass.
Boy, how was you alive, boy? Bruh. You know that yet, bruh? Yo. Nah, that's out of pocket. That's crazy. That's crazy. Bro, how do you have internet, bro? Like, what is you
Because,
doing,
bro,
bro?
I'm that motherfucker, yo.
Nigga think he him, bro. Okay, buddy.
I'm alpha, bro. I'm fucking alpha.
All right, buddy.
What are you talking about, man?
Calm down, bro.
Kiss my feet. Kiss my feet.
Blaze. Yo. That, that's some Florida shit. Like, what the fuck? Dr. Umar? Is that you, Dr. Umar?
Yeah, I want to talk to woman, not a man.
type shit. Bro. Idiot. Ain't a car.
This nigga light skin and got a black bonnet on. Who is this nigga? Nigga like the opposite version of me.
What the hell? Bro, this nigga me from an alternate universe, bro. Like, what is he doing, bro?
Hold on, wait. Folks got glasses? That's crazy.
Bro, it's me from the opposite universe, bro. Yeah, nah. Nah, that's wavy. That's wavy as hell.
But what you got under there, bro?
Yeah, I just took my braids up.
Nigga got braids. Not me.
Oh, that nigga got
I got
dreads.
locks. Yup.
That's tough. Nah, that's crazy. Is you doing turbulence, bro?
Why the fuck would I be doing turbulence, my nigga?
Bro, you doing some crazy ass dance. I don't know what you doing, bro.
I am drumming my hands on my fucking thighs, girl.
I wouldn't know.
He mixing us up with niggas. You a faggot, bitch. Pussy ass nigga. Hey, bro, stop all that bati boy shit, bro. Black people ain't born like that. Bitch ass boy. Take that bonnet off with them glasses.
I'm to
Fuck
you.
that nigga.
Yo, you. I'm to you, brother.
Bitch ass nigga. Shut your pussy ass
I'm
up.
to you. I'm to
Talking
you.
shit. What?
I'm to you.
I don't give a fuck about
Calm
nothing, cuz.
yourself, you.
You from
Calm
Florida?
yourself.
You
Calm
from Florida?
yourself.
You from
You know,
Florida?
I'm to you.
You from Florida?
Calm yourself, you.
I got a Bible in here.
I'm to the man, yeah,
I
brother.
got a Bible. I got a Bible, but I also got a Glock. I'm playing. I ain't got no Glock. I got a Taurus. Feel me?
Speak
But
wines, man.
you gotta keep the Bible with the gun just in case, cause you never know. Keep the Bible on the left side and the gun on the right. You feel me?
Word up, bro.
I ain't mean to mess your night up. God bless you, faggot
Bless.
ass nigga.
You.
Dear Neanderthals, dear caveman community, dear mayonnaise masters, will you please stay the hell off my life?
You heard that new Rob Wave album? It's not.
What is that?
Bro, why everybody on this big vape?
Yeah, Russia.
I hate niggas. I hate niggas. Yo, what's good? What's your name?
What?
What's y'all name?
No. Oh shit!
What the hell is going on, bro?
Stop, bro. It wasn't me. It wasn't me, bro. Stop. I swear it wasn't me, bro. I swear. Bro! Bro! Oh my god! Bro.
Okay. Hola. Hola. Le español.
Take off the bonnet.
Le,
I say bonnet. Bonnet.
Dobro.
Take off the bonnet.
No, no inglés.
Wait, yo quiero. Oh, don't.
This nigga really thought I was speaking Spanish. Yo, this lame, man. Bro, what the hell y'all got going on?
Hey, don't worry about that. Hey, you gay?
Nah, you be on that whipping shit.
Hey, you ever had glitters?
What's up, brother?
Glitter on your eyes and looking sick and sexy-fied.
Hey, boy.
Dangerous.
Yo, what's going on? OG.
You see me?
Yeah, I see you, OG.
This person see me?
Oh yeah.
I just asked no.
Yo, OG. What's going on?
Nothing, man. I don't know shit. I just said I was trying to see was this shit real. I'm like, that's a real person.
That's a random person.
A random person, but it's a real person.
Yo, what the hell you got going on, OG?
I had to know that. I had to know could we see each other clearly.
I'm going to sleep, Dad. Why are you open?
Open nothing, boy. Only thing that open, man.
Damn, OG, you pissing off Auntie.
You alright, man? You feeling alright, man? How you feel, man?
You know him?
But I'm his uncle now. I don't know him, I'm his uncle. That's some kind of respect he got for me. And the first appointments of it. I had
What are you talking about, man?
to make sure, goddamn it. I'm like, damn, is somebody talking to me? Or goddamn it, shit. I had a response when I'm saying shit. I'm like, is this a real live feed? What you doing,
Nah,
man?
you just call me Jay, man. What Auntie got going on?
Nigga, he's too black for the app.
I ain't too black. Man, you was.
What the hell Auntie got going on, OG?
That's my son dripping and shit.
Steph Curry? Yo.
At least it's not white boy Carl. At least it's not white boy Carl.
Nah. Bro. That nigga look like Steph Curry.
You know what? I'll take that as a fucking compliment, because that man can lay a fucking three.
Bro, that nigga look like 20, what was it, 2021? Steph Curry with the braids, boy.
What is it? The braids?
OG. OG? What you got going on, OG?
OG? Oh, call me OG. I did call me G.
Nah.
Why you?
Why
you want that?
what you got going on,
What?
What you got going on?
What am I got going on?
Yeah, what the hell you got going on, Unc?
I'm talking to you. That's what I'm going on.
What are you talking about, Unc?
Why you go to the lab or something like that with your glasses?
You asking too much questions now, bro. Chill out.
Little Einstein in the house.
Doing too much.
Sipping quickly, forgot it was mud. I don't cross, so I couple with drugs. Like I don't know when my time gonna come. I'm at the bottom, back where I begun. Feeling weak, but I gotta be strong. Like, only for love when I'm gone.
I got the whippers in my body.